Yo, hey, peace, family. I had learned from one of the teachers that the nature beings like to eat chocolate or like candy or whatever. So I've been putting like these little candies right here on this table, see? And they've been taking them. I haven't seen them take them, but I'll get up and check. Them shit's just gone. Ain't no papers on the ground or nothing. So I'm about to sit this here now for them, and I'll record again once I see what happens. I moved the table to the front of the tree because it was behind the tree. So I moved it to the front of the tree. So maybe, I don't know, at nighttime I might catch some movement or some shit. I don't know. I'll try it, family. So we'll just see what happens, okay? But here, look. See me put it out here, look. All right. All right, family. So it's a shadow being right there behind the tree. Yeah, I see him blended in the tree. Look, he's right there. Right there. Oh, he just did something with his eyes when I said that. It was two. This one on this side too. Look, there's one right there. Look, right here and right there. Also one peeking in between trees right there too. Those are beings, yo. Right there in between the tree. And those two right there. I see him almost like invisible, see? Right there. Right there and right next to him. That's crazy. They all back there.